Hi, in this tutorial I'm gonna teach you how to install the WordPress in GoDaddy hosting with the help of cPanel. So let's come to the computer screen, and here is the GoDaddy account, and you have to go to the web hosting, and here is my hosting. You have to click manage. Here you have to click cPanel admin. Here is my cPanel. Now you have to scroll down a little bit, and here you will find WordPress in applications portion. So you have to click it. Now you can see the WordPress hosting. Now you can see the interface here. Click this install this application option. You can see here is the domain, and you can put the directory here, and here is all the option related to WordPress. So you have to put the domain here, and here you have to select the version, the language, the license agreement, and updates. Select all these options depending upon your requirement. And here is the administrator, and you can show password, copy this password somewhere else, and this administrator password. Here is the administrator email, and you can change it to your email. So here is the website title, and two-factor authentication do not enable. You want to enable, you have to click it. Limit login authenticate, enable multi-site. So you have to select these options depending on your requirements. So at the end you have to click the install. Now WordPress is being installed. You can see the progress. Now the WordPress has installed. You can go the WP admin, or you can view the website. So this is the way how to install the WordPress in GoDaddy hosting with the help of cPanel. Thank you very much for watching this tutorial. Keep watching the next one.